So guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of what we already started. So if you've not watched part 1, make sure you go back and watch part 1 so that you get to see how we started this account and we managed to grow this account up to the figures you are seeing there. So today we're going to trade Euro AUD. This is the pair that I like because this pair moves. This pair moves, guys. So if you can see, if I can go to H4, you can see it makes a lot of big movements. So that's why I like trading this pair. So, and as you can see, please go watch part 1 so that you catch up where we are. So now I've already taken a trade. Today is I think on Wednesday. It's 8 a.m. in Kenya, Nairobi. So now I want to explain why I've taken this trade, because I like to explain. So now, like we told guys, remember this pair we bought from this level when we were here. We bought from this area and we made money all the way up to here. And I want you to remind you guys, we buy at support and you sell at resistance. So the reason why I sold, or the reason why I'm selling, it's because I can see we are in the resistance zone. Remember, resistance is a zone, it's not a number, it's just a zone. So that's why I'm selling. So I'm selling because I can see if I go on H4, and as you can see, if I zoom out, we can see we are at resistance zone. So that's why I'm selling. We don't sell anywhere else, we sell at resistance and we buy at support. So based on that, that's why I'm selling. And as you can see, I already took a sell. It's 809. So let's see how it, I'm expecting the market to drop from here to at least around this zone here, around here. So this will be my take profit from here, from up here all the way to down here, because all this has to be covered. You see all these green candles, they have to be covered. So guys, for those who want to join me, you can still join me. And if you want to trade the way I trade, I'll show you how to do it. So just follow me as we grow this account. Currently, that is where we are. This is where we left from part 1. So I'm just continuing. We want to grow this account up to 200,000. Then from there, I'll start now teaching you, basics of trading. So I just want you to see, so that, seeing is believing. You first see, and then you'll decide whether you'll want to subscribe or not. So currently, that is where we are. We are currently negative, but let's see, we are selling at resistance only. That's how we trade, guys. So I'll keep you updated on the next video. So guys, we are back, and as you can see, the market has done exactly what I told you guys it will do. So currently we're in profit, as you can see. You see, so I like seeing these blue strings. So now it's still going down, so we are very happy, we are making money. So because we want to grow this account, what I told you guys, once you make money, you start taking partial profits. So as you can see, we are almost to our TP. So what we are going to do, we are going to start taking partial profits. So what I'll do, come here and take, let's say we can take we can take what, 0.05, yeah, can take that, so that way we are left with 0.10. So we are growing, I like it. So today we made 2,600. So this is good, this is progress, guys. And this is what I keep on telling you guys, when you trade at those levels, you will never be, you'll never go wrong. So keep watching, I'll update you guys. So guys, we can see there's a bit of pullback. So we are going ahead. It's wise to, like I tell you guys, it is wise to protect our account, since we are currently, we are positive. So what we are going to do, we are going to put a trail stop from just so that to protect our money and our account. So we'll put a trail stop around there. So that will be 513.76. 513.76. So come here, say modify, like that, say modify, put it like that. So as you can see, so right now we've already protected that account. So you see, so no matter what happens, as you can see here, we've already put a trail stop, or rather we've protected our account. So even if the market decides to come all the way up and retest this zone before it drops, at least there's nothing that's going to happen. You know, the worst thing that can happen is just it will hit our stop loss, and then our account will remain the same, because as you can see, we've already made money. So it is wise to do that. Once you get positive, once you see blues on your account, you protect your account at any time. That's the aim, because once you start doing that, then your account will start growing. So in fact, we will take another 0.05 like that, so that again will be, so we leave 0.05 running. Okay, so today we've made 4,700 Kenyan shillings. So now if I go back, now we will leave that 0.05 running, and it is protected at the end of the day. So come what may, sijui kukuja news, I don't know what kind of news. We don't trade news, we don't care about the news. So the news will do whatever it wants to do, whether it wants to go up, down, we don't care, so long as we are making money and we are following the trend. So if and only if it gets to this zone around here, I will start adding, I will add another sell position. If we get to this area here, I will add another sell. So currently we are at that. So I just wanted you guys to know what I'm doing and what is happening. So our take profit is there. We'll still wait for it to hit take profit. It can get there today or tomorrow, we don't know. All we care is that we've made money today. At the end of the day, we know that the account is growing, and you can see the account is still growing. So let's see how it plays out. I'll update you guys. So guys, we are back. It's been 4 hours later. Do you see now what I was telling you guys? You have to protect your account. You've seen what the news have done. So it jumped up and hit our stop loss, but at least we're still in profit, as you can see. That is what we made today, 4,900 Kenyan shillings, because we're in Kenya. So the account is still protected. This is why I tell you, when you're dealing with these volatile pairs, it is good to protect your account, you know, just so. And remember what I told you guys. I told you once we see a pullback, I'll start adding the sells. The reason why I didn't add huku chini below, it's because I knew the nini remains the same. You buy at support and you sell at resistance. So as you can see, this is H4, and you can see there's that big pullback. So because there is news right now, there is news, so that's why you see this big candle, you see. So we'll wait for the news to settle down. Remember, we don't trade news, I said that. So we'll wait for the news to do its thing. We let it do whatever it wants to do. Then we will see what will happen. So if I will decide whether I'll add another sell, but the wise thing is just to wait for New York to open. So at New York opens at around 4:30 Kenyan time. So we'll wait for that time. Around 4 p.m. we will wait and see how the market will behave, so that we continue adding our sales. So let the news settle down, and then I'll come back and update you guys. So if we go on daily, you can see that is where we are. You see that big push to the upside there, because I told you it was going up, the market was going out long term. But remember, we are at resistance, so we are not looking for buys. Me, I'll not buy. We don't buy at resistance, we sell at resistance. So that being said, I'll wait for the news to settle down and see whether we will continue down with our sales. Because as you can see, this is to me this is a fresh level. You see there is demand and supply around that area. Where, let me show you clearly. You see here, if I look left, this is where this, you see there's this big massive sell. From here it came down up to here. So right now we are around that zone. So we will wait and see what happens at that zone. So once the news settles down, I'll be able to make a decision whether to add a sell or to just leave it. So for now, let me just leave it at that. So let the news finish what it's doing. As you can see, it's still pushing. See, look, You see, it's pushing. But remember, we don't care about the news, because at the end of the day, we've made money. So now that is the account, so we wait. So guys, I'll do another video showing you the part 3. Part 3 will be now the continuation of this, because I don't want to make long videos. So remember, the aim is just to grow the account. We don't want to lose the account. The aim is to grow the account. So be patient with me, because I want you guys to see proof of concept. Whatever I'm telling you, it's working. So for now, as you can see, the account is protected. It's already been hit. The stop loss has been hit, but we are okay. As you can see, this is what you can see. Even the dates. This is just today. So we'll wait and see. So I'll come back after the news. So this will be the end of part 2. Then by tomorrow I'll start doing part 3. So guys, remember to like, subscribe, and keep following. You'll learn a lot on this channel. You'll actually learn a lot. Most people don't tell you this. You learn a lot, but because me, I'll be showing you where to trade, where the banks are trading, where to to put your stop loss if you indeed want to put stop loss, where not to trade. You see, because most people were trapped, because they saw when they came to H4, they saw this big bearish candle, then they started selling below. Most people started selling around here. You see, you don't sell here, because if you look left, you can see it still has this big bullish momentum. So let's just wait and see. Like, share, and subscribe. So I'll do the part 3 of this video from tomorrow. So this is the end of part 2. So guys, bye bye.